Painting is most fun yet complicated. Selection, pouring, and diffusing all of the steps are crucial in the incredible process of painting. You will be surprised to see the final result after the mind-blowing process of painting. Let us see the exquisite artwork of talented artists in this video. The artist is preparing the background with a splash of eye-catching shades for a Korean pre-wedding photo shoot. The beautiful selection of mild, pastel, bluish and brownish shades for the background will blow your mind. Blending all the shades is the trickiest subject. However, the talented artist neatly and smoothly creates magic with a painting brush, blending dashingly all the different shades. Bliss to the eyes. Steadily the artist prepared a captivating background that has exclusive bluish and brownish shades diffused and blended appropriately and keenly. The final outcome of the painting is ultimately realistic and magnificent. You cannot differentiate between real and painting for sure. The Korean pre-wedding photo shoot has a fascinating background which is making the photos look enchanting and enthralling.